Mind you, he's in 2 feet of water here.
What?
All right, great job. You still haven't made it to the end of the dock yet.
I know.
Let's see you get in the canoe. All right, now wait. You're in waist deep water. All we're asking is that you get in the canoe and make it to the end of the dock.
Oh, fucking hammer this little. This is trickier than it sounds.
Now, the paddle is actually not with him, so if he makes it in the canoe, which he probably won't. Excellent. All right.
Now I need a paddle. I need a paddle.
All right, you know, the paddle is, paddle's right there. Okay. You want me to get the paddle for you? No, you can make it.
I see it just
Ow! Shit! Okay, here you go. Grab.
I see what you're doing.
Grab. Grab it.
Let go of it. I see what you're doing. I'm not dumb. I'm not dumb, man.
Put the cat. Like that.
Get in here. Yeah, I'll hold it too while you get
I'm
in.
not getting in.
Yeah.
Look, if I trusted you with the camera, I would have already been in. Yeah.
Where am I going?
Over to the dock, right there. Still trying to go to the dock.
I get this.
It's over here, dude. Dude, it's this way.
Not doomed. I do feel the wind pushing me way too hard.
Dude, there's like a 3-mile-an-hour wind, okay? It's a beautiful day, you see? It's a beautiful day on the lake right here, okay? There's a 3-mile-an-hour wind. Can you handle it? You're drifting. All you have to do is negotiate the canoe to the dock. You can do it.
I'm not getting there. That's really... come on, look at you.
He's getting further out on the lake. I mean, he's now that far, okay? And all we're trying to do is get to this dock right here. All right, come on, you can do it. I know you can do it. He's gonna dump it. He's going over.
Why do I feel like I'm drifting up?
Dude, you're definitely going in the wrong direction.
I'm not even paddling.
You're getting... Dude, you're now like 40 feet. Now, wait a minute. You're at least 100 feet away from the dock. This is where you're supposed to go, right here, okay? I'm going to go over and stand by the dock, okay? Going over to the dock. I'm in waist-deep water. Well, maybe it's belly button deep. Belly button deep, okay? Oh, and he dumped the canoe. Yeah, let's see you unswamp it from out there.